Today we're going to be testing the Smooth X gimbal from Zhiyun. And they did send this over for my honest opinion. I have never used a gimbal before, but I've always wanted to try one with a budget phone that didn't offer electronic image stabilization. Now they do offer some really cool things. This will be able to stabilize your video footage. Well, this is gonna be pretty cool. It's $69 on Amazon. It also comes with an app just for your Apple or Android device. Open this up, then we're gonna go ahead and test it out outdoors. Really nice, really easy to use. I wish they had put like some type of like carrying bag or protective case that you could use with this thing. It has this nice, really like brushed like pattern here, which looks really cool, really smooth to the touch. You get your Type-C for charging right here at the top. It says Smooth X with the branding. Actually, you have to like twist this thing right here and then it loosens up. So now you can kind of pull this out right here. So once you pull that out, you have like, you could extend this thing to a long tripod and then you can twist this up and now you can like, this is how you would actually use it. So let me know how that video quality is on the front. Let me know how the mic sound on the Motorola E7 Plus with the gimbal attachment. I'm gonna let you guys see the footage without the gimbal as well on the front facing camera right now. The E7 Plus does take some really nice video, as you can see. So this is just me walking. As you can see, it will shake compared to the gimbal. All right, this is the rear facing camera, 1080p, 30 frames per second. I'm gonna throw the gimbal on and see how that looks with it on. So now I am actually walking with the Moto E7 Plus. I'm trying to keep it as steady as possible. We're using the gimbal attachment. Let me pan to the left. Also gonna pan to the right as well. And they have an auto adjustment feature right here. I'm gonna hit that. Realigns it automatically. This is what it looked like without the gimbal. So you see I'm holding a phone in my hand right now. And this is how it would look without the gimbal. So let me know which one is better, which one you would use if Alright guys, so I'm going to give you my final thoughts on the Zhiyun gimbal for $60. Now this is a budget gimbal and it's my first gimbal I've ever had before, so it's kind of biased, but because I've never really used one before, but it's going to enhance your phone's EIS or OIS depending if your phone has it or not. It'll make the image quality, video quality look a lot better. And I was able to use this thing for B-roll. I found it really nice. Other gimbals on the Amazon are maybe 3 times, 2 times, even 3 times the price. But this one is actually pretty decent. It's $60. It's offering a lot of features. You get this mode where you can toggle right or left, up and down, tilt, zoom right here on the side. This button right here brings it back to the straight menu. It goes straight back to the forward option. Instead of when you turn left, you press that M button, it'll turn it back to the front. And this is the record button, but really functional, really usable, really easy to understand. It's gonna increase the phone stability. It's good for B-roll as well. And I think it's gonna be awesome for future use on my channel. And I really appreciate these guys for sending it out for a review. And for the price, it's really good. It's got pretty decent battery life that lasts. I charged it about twice now since I've had it, but you could use it for about 5 hours, 6 hours before you have to charge it, which is pretty cool. But this is the Smooth X gimbal Zhiyun. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section below. I'll leave a link as well. Appreciate you guys for watching, but let me know what you guys think about the quality of the footage that came out on these budget smartphones and mid-range phones. And I'll check you guys later. But in the meantime, have a great morning, afternoon, evening, and depending on where you are, have a great night. Later, crew. Peace.